Hi everybody, my name is Sarah Lane and I'm a cloud advocate at Microsoft. Over the past few years, I've learned how to use PowerPoint in order to get my message across to the different audiences that I've been speaking in front of. And today I want to share one of my tips that I've come across. So let's dive in and take a look. So when I'm building my PowerPoint presentations, I often like to include graphics, and that can be in the form of fun graphics like the one I have on my screen here, or something a bit more serious depending on the presentation. But it's often a bit boring to just leave that picture as is in the kind of portrait format that we can see on the screen. So I like to try and play about with the shapes of those graphics. And I also like to play about with them so that I can get the best out of that actual slide size and scale and get as much as I can on that page as such. So let's have a wee look at how we can actually use PowerPoint to crop this picture into a more interesting format, shall we say. So if we select the picture, at the top bar we'll get another option called picture format. If we click on that, and we'll see crop at the side. Now it has a little drop down menu, so if we click on that we have the option to crop to shape, and we can crop to a bunch of different shapes. So we can do a standard oval type shape. If we didn't want that, we could go a bit more adventurous and click on crop to shape and pick this shape here, which is called a chord. And we get this different shape as well. Now we can see that there's some points that are yellow or orange, and you can actually adjust these, so you can click on that and adjust how you're cropping it depending on what you want. So you can make the shape fit what you need and make sure your picture is still viewable. So hopefully this tip has helped you and you can utilise it in the future. Thank you for watching.